Today I'm gonna teach you how to read the cards from their back. With just a normal deck, you can read all the cards from their back. You can even borrow a deck of cards and perform this performance and blow everyone's mind. This is an old trick that I made some edit on it. Hi everyone, I'm Parsa and I have been a magician for a few years and I have about 200,000 followers on Instagram, but I'm new on YouTube and in English language, as you know. And today I'm gonna teach you this easy magic trick, completely self-working, no setup, and the spectator can shuffle the deck himself. And all you need is just a deck of cards and some memory. Okay, let's get into it. First, show the cards to your spectator to make sure it's completely normal. The spectator can shuffle the deck as much as he likes. And another shuffle, just like that. He can shuffle the deck even like this. Now, square up the cards. And let's begin. Okay, ask the spectator to lift up some cards, for example, this much. Turn them over and put them back on the top. Now, we are gonna find the first face down card, which is this card. You're gonna pick 3 cards and I'm gonna read them from the back. And you can do it after watching this video. Now, the spectator again lift up some more cards, turn them over and put them back on the top. Now, I go and find the first face down card and let's find the last card. Say stop, turn them over and let's find the first face down card. Now it's time to read the cards. Okay, the first card would be a black card, a number, for example, a high number, 8 of spades maybe, and the other card would be a low number, red card, 2 of hearts or diamonds, 2 of diamonds, and just like that, 8 of spades and 2 of diamonds. Now the last card would be very close to this card, 9 of spades. 9 of spades. How is it possible? I hope you enjoyed the performance, but just know I'm cutting the video because I cannot speak fluently and I didn't cheat. I'm gonna teach you how to do it and you can learn and perform it for your friends and blow their minds. If you like this performance, you are probably like me and the others in the community. So hit the subscribe button and join us. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. He can shuffle the deck as much as he likes, no setup, and when he flips some cards, and when you are finding the first face down card, you have to remember the last face up cards, which is in this case it's 5 of clubs. I have to remember it and I square up the cards, don't shuffle the cards, and ask him to pick up some more cards and flip them. Now memorize the last face up card and put the first face down card on the other side. And when you do it for the 3rd time, the last card should be in the middle. 5 of clubs and 5 of hearts, 5 of diamonds, 5 of diamonds. You have to memorize these 2 cards. Now, the last card you remembered, you have to say as this card. With some magic moves, you have to say the last card you remembered as the first card. In this case, it was 5 of spades, of diamonds. Now, I say it's a middle number, for example, a red card, 5 of diamonds, and you don't show it to him. And very quick, you go for this card and say this card as this card. In this case is 6 of spades. I say it's 6 of spades with some magic move. And now when you pick up these cards, you have to quickly change them and show it to them. 5 of diamonds and 5 of spades. Now the last card. If you learned this trick, you like this video, and if you want to learn another great magic trick, just watch this video in my channel. It's another magic trick that you can learn and perform for your friends after this trick. It's a very good trick. If you didn't catch what did I say, just watch the video another time. Because my English is not very good right now, and thank you for watching.